Andrew is ready to install a new one now. It's gonna be a Sloan. I don't know, Andrew. You really need to clean that. You need to clean it real good. Do I need to bring you a brush? Yeah, you stupid ass. Alright, Andrew made sure that it's clean for the vacuum breaker.
Let's see what's inside. Let's see if it fits, because Andrew says it's gonna fit.
Right, yeah, I say it does. Well, are you not? Andrew's not. He's refusing to use a friction ring. He says it's bullshit. Oh, look at it. Did it line up or what, Andrew? Huh? A shit talker. What happened? It's lining up?
What happened? It's lining up.
Wow.
Well.
My God, Andrew, that was fast. I think I still would be sitting disassembling at this point. Yeah. This is where you fucked up. You should have tightened this one first.
Shut up. Stupid sensor. Should I put it on?
You should not have put it on, you think?
Yeah.
I think you'll be fine.
I need that tool.
You don't think the rigid wrench is gonna fit over it? You think you gotta use that crappy one? Wow, Andrew, look at you. Very interesting. All right, Andrew's about to test it. He's restoring the water. Andrew, why is it leaking? Unbelievable. Andrew has successfully installed the valve and fixed his leak. The reason for leak was buildup inside there.